It's a rumpless game. It's very similar to Old English game, which you see around the show. Oops! With tails on, but as you can see from this little fella, he's got no tail, and they're actually missing, on a plucked chicken for your dinner, you'll see a parson's nose, and they're missing that little bit on the end of their spine, so they don't grow tail feathers, basically. Actually, I breed them together with ones with tails, and some come out with tails and some come out with no tails. They're classified as a rare breed. They are associated with the Isle of Man, as I say, similar to Manx cats, missing their tails as well. But you do see them in the big shows in the UK as well, but they do have this quite long association with the Isle of Man. Actually, I've seen old photographs, very early photographs, Manx Chanticleer, which were similar to this, not as broad. These are quite broad, but with no tail. They're game birds, so they're supposed to be solid little things, and they're supposed to be, if you always hold them this way around, and they should be a little wedge shape. If you can see, they go in broad at the front and wedge shaped at the back. He's a little bit cloddy, really. He's a bit deep, but that's sort of wedge shape, so they should be tucked in tightly, like round the back. He won his class, but he's not the winner overall. Not today.